Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel At Home with Morgan. Today we are doing a realistic nightly tidy up routine, what I typically do every single night after dinner and right as the kids are going to bed. So if you need all of that nightly cleaning routine inspiration, then just stay tuned. All right, you guys, starting out my nightly cleaning routine, I left this very realistic. I've got Riker in a diaper. He's always running around in his diaper at night, and my kids like to run around like crazy right before bedtime. So I left it very realistic. This is mom life, raw, unfiltered. So I hope you enjoy that. My cleaning routines aren't always perfect, and I don't always have the house to myself to get things done. I'm cleaning up messes and picking up after the kids as I go. If you can relate, leave it in the comments down below. But on this night, I had already picked up the living room earlier in the day, so I just had to tidy up the dining room and the kitchen and get the dishes done. That is typically my standard routine at night, is just to vacuum everything up, clean off the table from dinner, clean up the dishes, and then I do a load of laundry or two just so I can stay on top of it. And it works out really well because I'm able to sit in the hallway upstairs and do laundry while the kids are going to bed, and I can make sure they stay in their bedroom. So here I am cleaning off the table. One of my most favorite springtime scents is the sea salt and lime by Method, and this is just an all-purpose cleaner. I do wash my table with a wood-friendly cleaner at least once a week, but every day, just for my general use, I will do the all-purpose cleaner to get it nice and cleaned up. There's always those spills you can only see in certain lights on the table, so I made sure that that was nice and clean for the next morning. And then I hop into the dishes. Now, this load of dishes, if you can relate to this, let me know. My dishwasher sometimes doesn't get everything clean, even though I pre-rinse everything. Sometimes the bowls just don't get super clean. I also overfill my dishwasher because I'm super lazy. So that's just a mom life thing. I try to get as much as I can into the dishwasher, but I had to wash off a couple of the dishes because they still had some things stuck onto them. But I feel like that's real life, and wanted to leave that in the video because life isn't perfect. Mom life is definitely not perfect. And I try to stay as relatable as possible, you guys, because I feel that we need that, especially here in the mom YouTube community. We just need to see real life stuff going on, and just know that I'm always here to represent the raw, unfiltered, crazy chaos mess of a life that comes along with being a mama. So anyways, all right, I'm going to let you guys enjoy some of the cleaning. And again, if you can relate to any of the crazy mom life stuff, leave it in the comments down below. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up, just hold on tight, it'll be alright. After I'm done with the dishes, I make sure that I rinse the sink out thoroughly, and I did have a couple of extra bowls and things that I needed to wash by hand this evening. I wanted to make sure that I started the morning with a clean sink so that the dishes didn't get too overloaded. I am very bad at this. Sometimes, to be honest with you guys, I just leave the dishes if I'm too tired or if I have to edit late that night, etc. I will just leave the dishes, and I've been working on that this year to try and get the dishes done every single night. This clip made me laugh out loud. My kids are legit running in circles around the island while I'm getting things done. It's just this mass chaos. If you guys are wondering where my husband is, he's down in the shop. We have a side business called M&M Rustics where we do custom furniture and built-ins and things like that. So while I'm doing this portion of our evening after dinner, he goes down in the shop and gets our orders taken care of. So we kind of divide and conquer. We've been doing this for the past like 7 years. It just feels so normal to us to be constantly working, but this is what our typical nighttime routine looks like. And of course I lit my stress relief candle because I needed it, and it looks so good and it smells amazing. I'm obsessed with these candles right now, you guys. All right, and then what I like to do is I put the kids down for bed, and their bedroom is right down from the laundry closet, as I call it, and I will get the laundry done. So I sit on the floor, fold laundry, make sure that Ryker does not break out of the bedroom because he is just a little Houdini and breaks out of the room all the time. So it works out really nice for me to sit down, fold laundry, start the day out for the next morning with like fresh folded laundry, a fresh clean sink and kitchen. It feels so good to wake up to like a clean house. And like I said, it works out really well because I can just sit here and make sure that my kids are behaving themselves and actually going to bed. And then after the kids go to bed, after they're sleeping, after I finish the laundry, I will typically go downstairs and get in a workout. And then I will start my nighttime routine and go to bed. I plan on sharing a nighttime routine, an updated one, over on my personal channel. I do have a personal channel where I share all of the mommy stuff and like clothing hauls and my weight loss stuff, and I have a bunch of keto videos over there because that is how I've been losing the majority of my weight. I'm down almost 50 pounds in the last 3.5, almost 4 months, and I'm just so proud of myself. So if you guys like any of that content, be sure to head over to my personal channel, link down in the description box. But like I said, nightly routine coming up for you guys over on that channel very soon. But this is the last part of my nightly cleaning routine. As soon as I'm done with the laundry, like I said, I go and I work out. So I am going to leave you guys there. Enjoy the rest of the cleaning motivation here. If you guys are new here, I would love if you considered subscribing to my channel. I just started this cleaning channel back in February, and I've been really loving diving into the realistic cleaning routine as a mom and just keeping up with the chaos of life, etc. I've been loving this channel so much. So I would love if you guys considered joining my little family here on YouTube. I love my community so much. It's just been the most life-changing, amazing thing that's ever happened, and I love motivating you guys in all things mom life and homemaking and cleaning. All right, guys, I will see you on Friday for an extreme cleaning motivation video. Okay, bye, you guys.